What is partial versus total disability and temporary versus permanent disability?
These terms are not like most legal terms. Most legal terms are confusing and don't really sound like what they mean. These terms actually do for a change. And partial versus total disability is a descriptor that is used to identify the nature of the injury in relation to the duties of the employee at their employment. So if an employee is totally unable to perform their job duties, then that generally is going to be a total disability. Short of that, there are stages. There are any number of places in between fully functioning and totally disabled where an injured employee can land. Now, similarly, the temporary versus permanent identifier is what it sounds like. If the injury is something that the employee can recover from physically, or can be basically retaught how to do another job, then it may not be a permanent disability in the eyes of the Industrial Commission and under workers' compensation laws. But for example, if it's a broken arm that is not going to result in any permanency, if it's going to heal and the arm is going to be just as strong as it was before the injury, then that's going to be most likely a temporary disability. Whereas losing that same arm would likely be permanent. But maybe or maybe not total. So these four identifiers can interplay with one another in a number of ways, and how they interplay dictates exactly the nature of the compensation that the claimant is entitled to. So they have very important meanings, and those meanings ought to be fully evaluated with counsel.